see how I do my hair? Very mindful, very cutesy, very demure. Ha ha ha. Welcome and welcome back to Life with Fishy. So, in today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how I slick down my hair like that. And so, first thing, I washed my hair and moisturized it. So now I was just spraying some water to make it soft and nice. Next step, I'm gonna do a box spray to the back, like it's gonna act as an anchor for the bun to sit on. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna fast forward it so that you don't sit here forever. But if you don't know how to do it, you can check out my other video, my other slick down video. It's a ninja bun. I'll put it at the top and also in the description box so that you see how to do this part. So this is the gel that I'm using. It's called Denzel's. Okay, whatever. So that's the one that I'm gonna use. It's so good. I mean, I used to use the darks in the eco styling gel before, but when I tried this, the hairstyle really lasted very long. So this is the one that I'm using so far. And so first I start at the back and then I slick down little by little and in sections. If your hair is very long, you're gonna be doing it in very smaller sections as well, probably parting with a comb, but mine is not very long, so yeah, this is how I do it. Now I'm gonna make a middle part, and you can make a side part or a middle part or no part at all. It's still okay, but I just wanted a middle part. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing, straightening it up so that I can continue to coat the hair with the gel. So just make sure you're applying a generous amount so that the hair is fully coated, and that way it will lay down flat. Okay, is my middle part at the middle? I don't know, you tell me in the comments if it's in the middle, but I'm just gonna work with that. There's no right way or wrong way of doing these things. You just do it. Okay, see where I'm looking at? That's where my mirror is. So if you see me looking that side, just know I'm checking on the mirror to see if everything is going okay. So more gel, and more gel. So normally you just use 2 bottles of the gel, and you won't believe how much it costs. It costs $1, like $1 a bottle. So it's just like $2 to get this done. Can you imagine that? So I use this wide toothed comb to comb my hair, and then sometimes the smaller one, sometimes the bigger one. Like, you just have to do what you have to do to make the hair lay flat. Okay, so if you feel like there are some kind of knots in it, you can use the bigger one, and then when you have smoothed it out, you can now use the smaller one, the tail comb. Okay, just like that, as I'm doing in the video, right? Just like that. So as you can see, I'm almost done with that side, and then I'm gonna do the other side. I'll put in on fast forward so that we go on to the next step faster. If you like these kinds of videos, be sure to stay tuned, and also let me know in the comments so that I can make more of the videos, okay? And oh, by the way, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, then just click the subscribe button that is down below and the notification bell that is just next to it, so that next time when I release a new video, you'll be the first one to know, okay? You won't miss any of my videos. Just click the subscribe button, click, and become part of our amazing YouTube family. Thank you. Okay, so I'm done with the other side, and now I'm just trying to kind of smooth it out so that I can tie with a scrunchie, and then we go on to the fun part of it. Not me trying to lay the baby hairs. So this one, I tried to lay the baby hairs, but I realized the baby hairs are not babying, so I just erased it. So we're just gonna do the normal whatever with no baby hairs. We'll try the baby hairs next time. I think I'm just gonna try find another kind of gel that I'll be using at the front for the baby hairs, because this one, it wasn't coming out as nice as I wanted it to. So the next step, I'm going to take a little bit of my hair food and apply it on the hair. Like, you can use hair food, you can use Vaseline, you can use any hairspray of your choice. Like, this is so that the scarf that you're gonna use to tie your hair won't stick on your hair. Oh, look at the waves. Hoo-hoo. Oh no, that was not on the script. Okay, so I'm just gonna tie the scarves. I use 2 scarves. You can use whatever amount, just make sure that it's secure, and I'm gonna put my hair bonnet on top and go to bed. Good night. And good morning. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Ooh, I can't wait. Okay, let's see. Oh no. What? Wait, what? Okay, guys, this is it. I'm super duper excited about this hairstyle. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a scrunchie. Honestly, I'm gonna use my old scrunchie. It's actually broken. I had to tie it back on. So that's the one I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna use the series braid. Most of the times I just use 3 strands, and that's enough. You can use more if you want your bun to be bigger, but for me, I just like the smaller bun, so I just use 3 strands. So you can just experiment with this. Use 4, see how big it is, and see if you can handle it. You can use 2, see how small it is, and see if you can handle it. See if you like it. Okay. So this is how I do it. I tie the braid onto the scrunchie and just watch and learn. So the other reason why I just use 3 strands is because it looks more natural that way. So I have people asking me, is that your hair? Like, as you can see, the texture of the series braid matches with the waves that is on the hair. Look at that. So that is why I prefer using just 3 strands, so that the bun kind of looks natural and smaller and looks like it's just my hair. Because wow, just look at that. Who's gonna come and say it's not my hair? Like, for real, who's gonna come and say it's not? Because it is. Just kidding. That was not on the script again. Patience. Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm tying it into a bun and we are almost done. Just stay tuned for the last part.